Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tool aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to share with you. We've scoured the market and handpicked the coolest tools of 2023 that are guaranteed to make your project smoother, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or just love taking on projects around the house, you won't want to miss out on these innovative tools. So, grab your notepads, because we're about to dive into the top 12 new tools that are reshaping the way we work. Let's get started. Number 1. Introducing the Klein Tool Scissors, your all-purpose solution for efficient cutting and precision in every electrical project. Priced at just $26.97, these scissors are a game changer, featuring a cable-cutting notch for enhanced leverage and stability when dealing with tough cuts of up to 14 AWG wire. Designed with electricians in mind, they can also strip 19 and 23 AWG wire, adding to their versatility. Crafted with durable forged high-carbon steel blades, they maintain sharpness over time, outlasting stamped designs. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the notch in the tip deburrs electrical boxes seamlessly. Serrated teeth provide a non-slip cutting action, and scrapers on both blades aid in cleaning wires effortlessly. Elevate your precision and efficiency with these electrician scissors for cleaner, smoother, and more effective electrical work. Number 2. Elevate woodworking with the Festool TSC55 cab plus cordless track saw, priced at $779. Its kickback stop instantly halts the blade, protecting workpieces and reducing hand injury risks. This pairs with extended battery life for powerful, precise cuts at double speed, especially with Festool's new Gen saw blades. The saw seamlessly integrates with accessories like guide rails, angle stops, and splinter guards, streamlining workflow. The kickback stop enhances safety against kickback during sawing or plunging. Once triggered, the saw readies for immediate use without part replacement, cost-effective and efficient. Manual deactivation is available, automatically reactivating next use. Powered by a brushless ECTC motor and dual lithium-ion battery system, 218-volt, the TSC55KB offers cordless convenience without power compromise. Transparent sliding viewing window and markings enhance blade visibility and accuracy. Precision remains paramount with the slimline housing, allowing cuts near edges and walls, ½ inch, 12 mm. The saw maintains cutting edge from 90 degrees to 47 degrees during swivels, ensuring consistent angle cuts. Dual cutting depth scale caters to guide rail or freehand cuts, boasting readability and precision adjustment. Experience unparalleled cutting performance, safety, and efficiency with the Festool TSC55 cab plus cordless track saw, transforming woodworking endeavors. Number 3. Upgrade your workspace with the Grizzly Industrial 1 HP Light Duty Dust Collector, priced at $326.95. Boasting a 30-micron bag filtration system, this collector ensures efficient dust removal for a cleaner environment. Its 10-inch cast aluminum impeller provides powerful suction, while the steel base with casters ensures mobility. The white powder-coated paint adds durability and a sleek look. Changing bags is a breeze with the quick-release bag clamp, and the paddle switch with a safety key guarantees secure usage. The single-stage dust bag captures particles effectively, and the convenient handle simplifies transportation. Elevate your workspace's cleanliness and safety with this dust collector, enhancing productivity and creating a more enjoyable work atmosphere. Number 4. Introducing the Franklin Sensors ProSensor M90 Professional Stud Finder, priced at $29.95. Redefining precision, it features 9 sensors and 9 enhanced precision LEDs, surpassing traditional stud finders with just 1 or 2 sensors. With a max detection depth of 1.5 inch, it guarantees thorough scanning. The enhanced precision LEDs pinpoint stud locations, displaying center and edges simultaneously for accurate work. Its user-friendly design includes an all-in-one mode that identifies wood beams, metal studs, pipes, and live electrical wires. The M90 automatically selects the most accurate mode for material changes or depth variations, eliminating toggling between modes. Calibration is unnecessary, just hold the button to start scanning. Ideal for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals, the M90 is both accurate and durable. It saves time and endures falls and toolbox storage. Number 5. Elevate your workshop efficiency with the Osco 120-volt wireless remote control, priced at $59.99. This remote switch lets you control your dust collector from anywhere in your workspace, eliminating manual operation hassle. The soft start mode ensures a gradual speed increase, minimizing current spikes and extending appliance lifespan. Experience convenience and efficiency like never before. Number 6. Meet the CRKT hex bit driver roll, available for $45.99. Designed to be your on-the-go maintenance companion, this tool roll ensures you're always prepared for quick fixes, even when you're away from your bench. Compact yet powerful, it accommodates up to 13 bits and 2 drivers, 1 driver included, guaranteeing you'll never be caught with an unclean everyday carry (EDC). Whether you're on the move or need to tackle urgent repairs, the hex bit driver roll has you covered. Stay ready and organized with this essential tool roll that effortlessly holds your bits and drivers, ensuring your EDC remains pristine and functional at all times. Number 7. Introducing the Milwaukee 100 lumens high-definition penlight, priced at $25.68. Designed for brighter, clearer, and easier inspections, this penlight offers a powerful output of 100 lumens. The innovative feature of a protective rubber bite zone at the light's end allows for safe light direction during two-handed tasks. Engineered with durability in mind, the LED penlight boasts an IP67 rating, making it waterproof and dustproof. The lens and 6000 series aircraft aluminum body are resistant to impacts and corrosion, ensuring its longevity in various environments. The penlight's metal clip is designed for convenience, allowing it to attach to any chest or pant pocket, providing quick access for everyday use. Experience the brilliance of TRUEVIEW high-definition output, which brightens your work area with natural light optimized for high color accuracy. Illuminate your tasks with confidence using the Milwaukee 100 lumens high-definition penlight, a reliable and robust tool for any professional or enthusiast. Number 8. Introducing the Max Multi-Purpose Toolkit by Forestool, priced at $289. This all-inclusive toolkit comprises 8 essential tools designed for camping, hunting, gardening, and off-roading. Crafted from reliable materials, each tool guarantees durability and optimal performance. Versatile and easy to use, the Max Toolkit ensures you're prepared for various tasks. Its high-quality construction ensures longevity, making it a dependable companion for outdoor adventures and everyday use. Simplify your activities with this comprehensive toolkit, enhancing your efficiency and readiness in any situation. Number 9. Introducing the Streamlight Beartrap 2000 Lumen Multifunction Worklight, available at $119.78. This dynamic tool is your solution for inspection, identification, and repairs. Delivering high power and remarkable performance, it generates bright white light in both spot and flood modes. Achieve hands-free illumination with the Beartrap's versatile design. It securely clamps onto almost any surface or stands independently. This proves invaluable for tackling hard-to-reach areas like under the dash. The Worklight features a magnetic base and stowable hook, enhancing its usability. The Beartrap is equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing quick readiness in just 5.5 hours. Its tough thermoplastic construction and chemical-resistant lens ensure resilience, enduring common automotive chemicals. A rubberized grip surface prevents scratches, guaranteeing longevity. Number 10. Introducing the Roamwild Multi-Digger Garden Spade, available at $59.99. This innovative tool redefines gardening with its reinforced fiberglass lightweight construction and digging prowess. The arrowhead shovel design is optimized for efficient digging, while the unique dual-soft AIR light grip technology ensures comfortable handling. Experience enhanced versatility with the root saw stump cutter feature, allowing you to manage roots and stumps effortlessly. The Roamwild Multi-Digger Garden Spade offers a comprehensive solution for various gardening tasks, ensuring efficiency and ease of use. Elevate your gardening experience with this advanced tool that combines durability, comfort, and functionality. Number 11. Introducing the Snow Joe 24-volt cordless snow shovel kit, priced at $154.99. This winter, Snow Joe presents a cordless and hassle-free solution for clearing snow. Powered by Snow Joe's exclusive IonMax 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, this snow shovel offers convenience and performance. Weighing under 13 pounds, the 24VSS13 model swiftly tackles up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. Its dual-handle design eliminates bending and strain, prioritizing user comfort and ease. The heavy-duty two-blade paddle auger efficiently throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing a 13-inch wide by 6-inch deep path with every pass. The snow shovel features a durable scraper blade at the base, allowing you to clear surfaces without causing damage. After use, the 24-volt SS13 is easily stored in a hall closet, offering quick and accessible retrieval. Number 12. Introducing the multi-sharp drill bit sharpener, priced at $36.62. This versatile tool is designed to elevate your precision drilling and extend the lifespan of your bits. Powered by any drill, it's a dual-purpose accessory that sharpens most bits, ensuring accurate drilling and prolonged bit life. Experience the convenience of re-edging and resharpening small tools, including carbide-tipped items. Instead of replacing worn tools, simply use the multi-sharp drill bit sharpener to restore them to their original, like new condition. The precision angle jig is a standout feature, flawlessly sharpening tip and relief angles at 90, 118, and 132 degrees. This sharpener not only saves you money by prolonging the life of your drill bits, but it also enhances your efficiency and accuracy.